New York City, it's a tough town, but it's also a beautiful town. And sometimes you need something strong to protect that beauty. That's where Arvern Iron Works comes in. They make tough, beautiful things. Things like iron gates and security shutters. These guys are the best in the business. They've been doing it for years. They know their stuff. When you need something done right, you call the experts. Arvern Iron Works are the experts. Arvern Iron Works has been around for a long time. They've built a reputation for quality. People know they can trust Arvern. They make strong, beautiful ironwork. Their gates and shutters protect homes and businesses, but they also add a touch of class. Arvern is the real deal. They're not just some fly-by-night operation. They've been around. They're here to stay. When you choose Arvern, you're choosing quality. Making ironwork is hard work. It takes skill.
Arvern's artisans have that skill. They've been doing it for years. They know how to heat the metal. They know how to shape it. They're artists with iron.
These guys are masters of their craft. They take pride in their work, and it shows. Every piece of ironwork they create is a work of art. Security is important in New York City. You need to protect your home or business. Arvern's gates and shutters do just that. They're strong. They're tough. They'll keep your property safe. No one wants to mess with Arvern Iron. It's the real deal. You can sleep soundly at night knowing Arvern has your back. They're the best in the business.
Arvern knows that every customer is different. That's why they offer custom designs.
You can get a gate or shutter that's perfect for your property. They'll work with you every step of the way.
Want something classic? They can do it. Want something modern? No problem.
Arvern can make your vision a reality. They're the iron magicians. Section 6. Setting the standard installation done right. Installing a gate or shutter is a big job. It's not something you want to trust to just anyone. Arvern's installation team is the best in the business.
They'll make sure your gate or shutter is installed correctly. They're careful, they're precise, they know what they're doing, and they always clean up after themselves. That's the Arvern difference.
Section 7. More than muscle. The art of iron. Arvern's ironwork is more than just functional, it's beautiful too. They can create intricate designs, they can add decorative elements, they can turn your gate or shutter into a work of art. It's like having a piece of art on your property, but it's also keeping you safe. That's the beauty of Arvern's work. Section 8. Happy customers, beautiful homes. Don't just take our word for it. Ask Arvern's customers. They'll tell you how happy they are with their gates and shutters. They'll tell you how much safer they feel. They'll tell you how much more beautiful their property looks.
Arvern has a long list of satisfied customers. They're proud of the work they do, and they're proud of the relationships they've built with their customers.
Section 9. Built to last maintenance and care. Arvern's ironwork is built to last, but even the toughest iron needs a little care now and then. That's why Arvern offers maintenance and repair services. They'll keep your gate or shutter looking its best for years to come.
They'll come out and inspect your ironwork. They'll make any necessary repairs. They'll even give it a fresh coat of paint if needed. Arvern is there for you long after the initial installation.